In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve signal service on Android. If you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now, the first step you need to do is to open your phone settings. Then go to mobile network. Then you are going to tap on mobile data. Then you can scroll down. Then you are going to see carrier. So tap on it. Then you need to ensure that you have disabled that button for automatic. So as you can see, mine is off and it is searching for carrier networks. So if you are unable to find this location, just go and type network selection on the search on your Android settings and it will bring you here. So you are going to see the list of your carrier network and you are going to choose the one which is fastest. So once you've selected the one which is the fastest, is going to be registered on the network, as you can see. So once you've done that, you are going to turn on airplane mode. You scroll down and turn on airplane mode. Then you are going to leave it for a few seconds. Then once you've done that, you are going to now turn off airplane mode. Then by doing so, your signal service will improve. So that's really it, guys. That's how to improve signal service on Android phone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.